Hello, I'm Matt Knoyer from the Grafton High School Student Help Desk, and today I will be going over functions in Google Sheets. Functions essentially allow you to insert math into your Google Sheets, and they can allow you to have a lot more specific type of information that would be a hassle to get otherwise. So on this random spreadsheet that I have open right now, I'll just go in and enter in some numbers. So we'll just go through and enter in 1, 2, 3, 4, and we'll just leave it at that. So if I wanted to insert a function with these, I could start highlighting all of them, and as you can see, there are the 5 functions at the bottom. We have sum, average, max, min, and count. Sum and average are self-explanatory. Maximum is the highest number, which is 4. The minimum is the lowest number, which is 1. And count is the amount of numbers, since there are 4 spaces currently being occupied, the count is 4. So let's say if I wanted to find the sum of these, I would press sum, and the sum would appear in the cell below all of them. And so the sum of all of these numbers is 10, so it gives us 10. So if I wanted to change this, I could simply clear this cell, then highlight all these other ones, then I can select average, and I get the average of all of them. So that's a simple way for some of the more common functions that you might want to do. But if you want to insert more complex functions, you could press the 3 lines up here, go to cell. No, wait, no, it's not in there. Sorry. If I just select all of these, and if I hold on, give me a second. So if you select the fx at the bottom left, you will find a bunch of operations that you can do. There's a wide variety of stuff you can find in here. You could find financial formulas. You could find statistical ones. You can even do some stuff involving Google, which is very weird, and I would recommend that you experiment a lot with all of these because there's a lot of variety here, a lot more than I have time for in this video. So why would you want to use functions in your Google Sheets? Well, for example, let's just go to a recent thing that I've been working on in my CAD/CAM class. So part of the class, where we are right now, we pretty much need to find 3 different types of gears and write down some information about them. And one of the information that we need to find is cost. And eventually part of this project is going to be finding the total cost of all of the gears. And so as you can see, I have the cost written down in these 3 cells right here. So if I wanted to find the total of them, I could simply highlight all of them, press sum, and all of the total. And I could just level the column above it, total. And there you go. So that's just one minor example. You can use this for all sorts of things, and I'd recommend experimenting if there's ever like a science project or anything where you need to record a lot of numbers and add them up. It can make things a lot easier for you so you don't have to add them all up in a calculator. So I hope this has been helpful to you.